Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our FUS University's parent account. So let's get started. So FUS University stands for Ferris State University, and if you want to log into that university's parent account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in the search bar you can search for FUS login Ferris parent account. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says parent, families and friends. So after tapping on that, you will direct to this page, and from here what you can do is just scroll down and then tap on this option which says parent welcome. After tapping on parent welcome, now what you have to do is just scroll down and then tap on visit parent portal. After tapping on visit parent portal, now what you can do is just simply tap on create guest account if you don't have one account. But if you do have an account, what you can do is just tap on returning welcome back, please log in below. And by tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply enter your email address and then enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, now what you can do is just tap on login, and by tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password you can easily reset or recover your account's password. So just tap on forgot password and then create a new password for your account. After creating a new password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password you created and tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. That's it guys, this is how to log into your FUS University's parent account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.